A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start lecture 9 of chapter 7 integrals. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed question number 1 to 9 of NCERT exercise 7.3 and I have completed up to 9 questions. So class, now today I will start from question number 10 of NCERT exercise 7.3. So let us start with the question number 10. Now question number 10 is integration over sine to the power 4x dx. Now we have to integrate the function sine to the power 4x dx. So class, first of all, you know the formula. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 times sine square x. And 2 times sine square x result is 1 minus cos 2x. And sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So now at the place of sine square, sine to the power 4x, so first of all write the solution. So this one can be written as sine square x whole square, now dx. And you know the formula, sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. Now by using expression a minus b whole square, identities 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4, that will be outside the integration, and 1 minus cos 2x whole square, 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 times cos 2x dx. So now again you have to convert cos square 2x. So cos square 2x, from this formula you also know cos 2x result is 2 cos square x minus 1, and from this term cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. When here is x, then in right hand side there is 2x. So when you will put at the place of x there is 2x, so cos square 2x can be written as 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Now you can put 1 plus cos 4x by 2. So integration over 1 plus cos 4x by 2 at the place of cos square 2x. So now again plus sign 2 times cos 2x curly bracket close dx. So this is the steps. Now come to the next steps. We have to integrate these steps and this will be minus sign. Come to the next steps. So first of all we have to write is equal to 1 by 4 integration over 1 plus 1 by 2. In curly bracket again you have to write 1 plus 1 by 2. This result will be 1 by 2 and plus cos 4x by 2 minus 2 times cos 2x dx. Now you can write 1 by 4. This result is integration over, this calculation will be 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 will be outside the integration, so 1 dx plus its calculation is 1 by 2 integration over cos of 4x dx, and now minus 2 times integration over cos 2x dx, square bracket closed. So now you can integrate 1 by 4 in bracket 3 by 2, 1 dx calculation is x plus cos 4x integration, that is sin 4x, and 4x result is differentiation 4, its reciprocal will be 1 by 4 minus 2 times similar process sin cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2, 2x reciprocal, now plus c. So this is the calculation, and now you can solve or you can take 2 common. So what will be the answer? You can write this answer 1 by 4 in bracket, 3x by 2 is here, and this is sine of 4x by 8, and 2 will cancel out, so result will be sine of 2x, now plus c. This is the answer. Now question number 10 is completed. Now come to the next question. Question number 11 is integration over cos to the power 4 2x dx. Cos to the power 4 2x dx. Again I will apply the formula on this function. You know, cos 2x result is 2 times cos square x minus 1, and cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2 from this term. Similarly, cos square 2x, cos square 4x, cos square 4x can be written as at the place of 4, that is 2. So cos square 2x can be written as 1 plus cos 4x by 2. Similar process. This is x, this will be 2x, so this will be 2x, when it will be 4x. So this expression can be written as cos square 2x whole square dx. And now cos square 2x result can be written as 1 plus cos 4x by 2 whole square dx. Now you can expand. First of all, 1 by 2 result will be 1 by 4, and its calculation will be 1 plus cos 4x whole square. 1 plus cos 4x whole square dx. And now you can expand 1 by 4 integration over 1 plus cos square 4x plus 2 times cos 4x dx. Now again from this formula you can put 4x at the place of x. So cos square 4x result can be written as 1 plus cos 8x by 2. It will be twice. So what will be the result? 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Integration over this result is 1 plus cos 8x by 2 plus 2 times cos of 4x dx. Now you can see here 1 by 4 outside the integration over 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, plus second is cos of 8x by 2, third 2 times cos 4x whole dx. Now this is our calculation, equal to 1 by 4 integration over 3/2 dx. 3/2 will outside the integration. So 1 dx plus 1/2 integration over cos of 8x dx plus 2 times integration over cos 4x dx. Now its result will be 1/4 3x/2 first integral part plus cos 8x integration is sin of 8x by 8 and multiply by 2, result will be 16 plus this result is 2 times sin of 4x by 4 and from 4 it will be cancel out and now plus c. So answer will be 1/4 3x/2 plus sin 8x by 16 plus sin 4x by 2 plus c. Now this is the answer, or you can take common from denominator also. Now question number 11 is completed. Now come to question number 12. Question number 12 is integration over sin square x dx whole upon 1 plus cos x. So now first of all write the integral part. Sin square x dx whole upon 1 plus cos x. Now since you know the formula, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x and 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x, you know, by using identical part. So this one can be written as 1 minus cos square x dx whole upon 1 plus cos x. Now you can expand 1 minus cos x 1 plus cos x whole upon 1 plus cos x dx, and 1 plus cos x will cancel out. So now its result will be, what will be the results? Only we have to integrate 1 minus cos x. So integration over 1 minus cos x into dx. So integration over 1 dx minus integration over cos x dx, and 1 dx integration you know x, and cos x integration you know that is sin x, and now constant of integration that is plus c. So x minus sin x is the answer of question number 12. Question number 12 is completed. Now come to question number 13. Question number 13 is integrate the function cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha whole upon cos x minus cos alpha. Now first of all write the expression which function I have to integrate. So cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha whole upon cos x minus cos alpha. So now you know the formula. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. You know. Similarly, you can write 2 times cos square x minus 1 at the place of cos 2x. Similarly, you can write cos 2 alpha means 2 times cos square alpha minus 1 and whole upon cos x minus cos alpha and dx. Now this minus 1 and this plus 1 will cancel out. When you will open the bracket, this will be plus sign, so this will be cancel out, and the result will be cos square x minus cos square alpha. Plus 1 minus 1 will cancel out. dx whole upon cos x minus cos alpha. Now you know the formula a square minus b square. By using a square minus b square identity, you can expand integration over cos of x minus cos alpha into cos of x plus cos of alpha whole upon cos x minus cos alpha, and cos x minus cos alpha term will cancel out and only the expression will left, that is cos x plus cos alpha. So see here, so integration over cos x plus cos alpha dx will left. Now integration over cos x dx and cos alpha, alpha is a constant, so cos alpha will outside the integration, that will be 1 plus 1 dx. So integration of cos x, that is sin x, and 1 dx, that is x, now plus c. So this will be the answer, C. In this question there is 2 is left and 2 I have taken common, suppose. So 2 will be outside the integration. So 2 times. So 2 will be outside the integration. That result will be 2 times sin x plus 2x cos alpha. Now come to the next question. The next question is, question number 14 is integration over cos x minus sin x whole upon 1 plus sin 2x. So now first of all write the integral part, cos x minus sin x dx whole upon 1 plus sin 2x. So you know the formula, sin 2x result is 2 sin x into cos x, and 1 can be written as sin square x plus cos square x. So this is sin square x plus cos square x, and this is 2 sin x into cos x. So cos x minus sin x outside the bracket dx, and this is cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 times sin x into cos x dx. So now cos x minus sin x dx whole upon, this is the sin x plus cos x whole square result. So now in this term you can consider, let t is equal to sin x plus cos x. So now what will be the result of dt? See here, dt result will be, means dt by dx, when you will calculate, result will be cos x minus sin x, and the dx will transfer in right, result will be cos x minus sin x dx. So cos x minus sin x dx, this is the value dt and upon t square. So from this term you can write, or integration can convert, dt whole upon t square. And now its a calculation is t to the power minus 2 dt, and t to the power minus 2 means minus t to the power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 whole upon minus 1 plus c, and its result, when you will put t is equal to sin x plus cos x, then result will be minus 1 upon sin x plus cos x, now plus c. This is the answer, means minus 1 upon sin x plus cos x is the result of integration of cos x minus sin x whole upon 1 plus sin 2x. Now this is the answer. Now question number 14 is completed. Now come to question number 15. Question number 15 is 10 cube 2x into sec of 2x dx. Now you can change this expression, integration over 10 square 2x into 10 2x into sec 2x dx, and you can convert, or sec square theta minus 1 result is 10 square theta. So now this is 10 square 2x can be written as sec square 2x minus 1 10 2x into sec 2x. dx. See, now expand the bracket, so result will be sec square 2x 10 2x sec 2x dx minus integration over 10 2x sec 2x dx. This integration will convert into 2 integration. Now you can write this integration. Suppose we are going to rationalize by 1 by 2. So we have to multiply 2. Suppose we have multiplied by 2 and 2 times here. So what will be the result? 1 by 2 integration over, suppose we are going to integrate single. There are 2 integrations and we have to integrate single part. First of all, see here, there is no space, so I will write from here. So 1 by 2 integration over, for this part calculation you will consider, suppose for I calculation, first calculation, let t is equal to sec 2x, then what will be the result? dt by dx. dt by dx result will be sec 2x into tan 2x with 2, and dt can be written as 2 times sec x into sec 2x into tan 2x with dx. So this whole result will be dt and this will be t. So its integration will be t square dt, and t that is sec 2x. Now come to the second part. What will be the second part? Integration 2 times 10x into sec x, 10 2x into sec 2x. So now let t is equal to 2x. So dt is equal to 2 times dx, and 2 is here, dx is here, so this will be dt, and its integration will be sec t into tan t. So minus time integration of sec t into tan t. Suppose this is, I have considered t, that should be t1 dt1, so dt1 dt1 is here. Now we have considered t2, so dt2, so this will be integration over sec t2 into tan t2 into dt2. Now what will be its answer? See, its answer will be, suppose this is rough work I have done, and now we have complete integration. t1 square dt1, its result will be 1 by 2, see here I am writing 1 by 2 integration over t square means t cube by 3, so t1 cube and t1 result is sec 2x power 3 by 3. Now with minus sign, sec t into tan t result is sec t, and sec t2 result is 2x. Now this will be the answer. This will be the answer. Now question is completed. Now come to question number 16. Question number 16 is integrate the function 10 to the power 4x. So now solution is here. First of all, write the integral part 10 to the power 4x dx. Now you can write integration over tan square x into tan square x dx, and again tan square x formula you know, sec square x minus 1 into tan square x dx. So now again you have to multiply, so sec square x into tan square x dx minus integration over tan square x dx. Now again copy this part, sec square x into tan square x dx minus again sec square x minus 1 formula, so sec square x minus 1 dx. Now suppose this is the first part, this is second part, we have to integrate. So in first part you will consider tan x is equal to t, tan x is equal to t. So now see here, let for the calculation of first part t is equal to tan x, then dt by dx will be sec square x dx, or dt can be written as sec square x dx. So sec square x is here, dx is here, so sec square x dx result is dt, and integration will convert into t square dt. Suppose I am going to write here integration over t square dt. This is the first part integral where t is equal to tan x. Now this should I have to write here integration over t square dt minus second part, in second integral part the first term is sec square x dx minus 1 dx, and t you know its integration is t cube by 3 minus integration over sec square x, that is tan x minus 1 dx x, and now plus c, and t value you know that is 10x power 3 by 3 minus 10x minus x plus c. Now this is the answer. Answer is 10x cube minus 10x minus, this will be plus, this will be plus. So minus 10x plus x plus c. This is the answer. Now come to question number 17. Question number 17 is integration over sine cube x plus cos cube x whole upon sine square x into cos square x dx. So now see, first of all write the integral part. Sine cube x plus cos cube x dx whole upon sine square x into cos square x. It is also the expression of class 12th you have already discussed or studied. Sine cube x plus cos cube x whole upon sine square x into cos square x, we have to prove something in class 11th. So now you have to separate. So sine cube x upon sine square x into cos square x dx plus cos cube x upon sine square x into cos square x dx. Now sine square x term will cancel out and cos square x term will cancel out. Sin x upon cos square x dx will left. Similarly, cos x upon sin square x dx will left. So this expression can be written as sec x into tan x dx, and this one can be written as cosec x into cot x dx. And you know, its integration is, integration of first part is sec x plus cosec x cot x minus cosec x, now plus c. So answer will be sec x minus cosec x plus c. This is the answer. Now question number 17 is totally completed.